Okay, so you just got your PS5, congrats by the way, or for all the OG owners, shout out to yourself. There's a few things you need to know. First and foremost, if you threw back the PS5 base stand in the box, you need to get your ass up and grab it right now because it's actually way more important than you think. I'm sure all the PS5 horizontal users are already using the stand, and if you're not, you're actually a true rebel. But if you do plan on using the PS5 vertically, the stand might save you a couple $100. At the bottom of the PlayStation 5, you have a very smooth surface, and when you use the PS5 upright, it's prone to sliding around. Worst case scenario, you'd accidentally drag the PS5 while using a USB cable. As you guys can see, when you use the stand, the PS5 becomes way more sturdy thanks to the rubber feet at the bottom. So Shevon, how do you attach the stand, you might ask? Well, first you want to retrieve the screw from the PS5 stand. Yes, it's in a hidden compartment because without it, you won't be able to attach the stand to the PS5. I'm not gonna lie though, it was kind of hard to remove the screw at first, but if you're dedicated enough guys, you'll be able to do it. You'll also want to ensure that the hooks attached to the stand are lined up correctly with the elevated piece in the middle. Now, in the middle of the PS5's base, you'll see a screw cap, which you will need to remove as well. Then all you want to do is attach the stand by lining it up with the hole you revealed for the screw and ensuring that the hooks are lined up with the back of the console. And finally, you can place the screw cap back into the secret compartment so you don't lose it. And voila! That's it, now your PS5 is well secured, and even with the stand, it still looks elegant. The second most important tip I have for you guys is how to remove the side panels of the PS5. I actually didn't know how to do this myself, but because a company called D-Brand made another company called Dark Plates, and they announced that they will be releasing some side plates for the PS5 on February 12th, which is crazy. So basically they're making different color plates that we could attach to the PS5. I did some research, found out it was really easy to do, it doesn't require any tools. Also, if you plan on upgrading the SSD or even cleaning the PS5 from dust from the fans, you'll need to learn how to do this as well. Okay, so before you remove the side plates, please make sure that your system is completely off and you'll remove all the cables attached to it just to be safe. Now, if you have the base stand on, you will need to remove that as well with a screwdriver or a coin if you're skilled enough like me. Now you want to place the PS5 on its side in order to comfortably remove the side plates. Start by grabbing near the PlayStation logo at the rear of the console, and at the first time you're removing it, it will be kind of hard, but afterwards it freezes up itself, so when you remove it for the second time it's gonna be way easier. It might feel like you're breaking it, but you just want to put your hand on the PS5 logo, lift upwards, use your right hand as support or vice versa if you're left-handed, and then you just want to pull up and then push down until you hear that snap and you're good to go. Then simply repeat the process for the other side. Just make sure you hold the back end of the PS5. The process takes a little bit of finesse, but it's pretty simple. Once you remove the side plates, you can actually see the slot to expand your SSD storage in the future if Sony actually allows us to, and you can also see the fan. On the other side, there's actually a dust filter that you could remove if there's any cleaning that needs to be done. I actually saw a couple of small flies that were cooked inside the PS5 on the case. Not gonna lie, it's kind of sad, but yeah. Now the easy part is reinstalling the plates. You only need to slide them back into place. The hook section of each bracket slots into specific slots on the PS5 itself, if that makes sense, so be sure to line them up properly. Once they're in place, squeeze down on the corner to snap the plate back into position until you hear this satisfying click. And boom, that's it. Alright, so there you go. Two of the most important things every PS5 owner should know. Now you know, and if you know someone that has a PS5, share this video with them. It might save them a couple dollars. And also, if you want to switch out the plates with that dark plates, make sure you guys come back to the channel to see when I order my dark plates. I will be switching it out to some black plates, which is gonna look sick. So if you don't want to miss that, turn on the post notifications. And also, if you're new to the channel and you like the content here, I do other videos like this, PS5, mobile tech, all that stuff. So hit that subscribe button, turn on those bell, drop a like. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.